this took forever to get here, just an FYI. I mean, it did say it was gonna take like 5 to 7 days, but it didn't even give me like a tracking for it, so I was just waiting for it for a while. So just letting you know, if you're ordering from Hanes, it's probably gonna take some time. But this is a hoodie. I got this in a large. It's like unisex, so I got it pretty big so that it fits nice and loose. And then here are the pants, and they're just regular pants. They're not cuffed at the bottom either, they're just regular, and they do have pockets, which is pretty nice. I'll link them at the bottom so you guys can go check them out if you are looking for anything like this. Step 2, grab some bleach. I have a spray bottle that I'm going to be putting it into and diluting it with water as well. Last time you guys saw me use it, I did not use water. I just poured it on and my whole house smelled like bleach. So let's not do that. So guys, here I am taking some rubber bands. These are the ones that you use for braids. I kind of didn't have regular rubber bands, so I had to use those. But I am using the crinkle method, and I'm just crinkling it up and then applying the rubber band right on top, just to different sections. And I'm going to do that throughout the whole pant. So just crinkle it up and then just add a little rubber band. So now on to the hoodie. I'm going to start with the arms, and I'm just going to do the same thing, crinkle it up, and then just put a rubber band on each side. I'm going to keep doing that throughout the whole sleeve and just keep adding rubber bands. You're going to need a lot of them if you're doing what I'm doing. But then again, I'm using hair ties, so just have normal rubber bands and it'll be easier. You can do bigger sections, but as you can see, I was getting tired because the other pants kind of took a lot. But yeah, just keep doing the exact same thing throughout the whole sweater and you will get the same result. So after you're done and your sweater and pants look like this, you're just going to add rubber bands on top of all of that to kind of have it hold everything together so that not everything is exposed to bleach, because you want to see 2 different colors. So you're just going to rubber band sections everywhere that kind of hold everything together. So with the strings, I didn't know what to do because I didn't want to take it out because it's such a process to put them back in. So I just kind of tuck them really, really well into the hoodie so that they wouldn't get bleached, because I just wanted them to be black. So I tied a little thing right over it to try to make sure that the bleach wouldn't get to it. So what you are going to need is some gloves, and this is the little spray bottle that I'm going to be using. I already put bleach inside of it. I'm just gonna add water to it to get this started. So I'm just putting on the bleach. As I said, I diluted the bleach with water, and now I'm just pouring it on and going to town. Hopefully this comes out nice, because will suck if it doesn't. Make sure to wear gloves, guys, because I didn't last time, and I freaking ruined my skin. Like my fingertips were like really, really dry afterwards. So I'm just trying to like kind of sprinkle it because I don't want everything bleached, you know? All right, now I'm gonna leave it alone for, says, everybody usually says 10 minutes. Last time, I think I only left it on for like 5. But as you can see, it's already changing color and that's what I wanted. So yeah, I'll show you guys the finished result once it is done. So these are what the pants are looking like after a couple of minutes. It's only been like around 5 minutes. So I think I'm gonna take it off because I like this color. This one, on the other hand, is kind of weird. I don't know why it's not changing the same color. Like this kind of matches that, but I'm waiting for it to just see if it will keep changing, but we shall see. So guys, this is what it came out to. I think it came out great. And these are the pants. They are already dry. I just put them up here so you guys can check it out, but I think I did a fabulous job. I think that these came out great. I still got it on the band, which was good, but yeah, they came out really, really good. Guys, this is what it came out to. Today's the next day. I actually washed them last night and put them to dry and everything, but this is what it looks like. I love it. Definitely one of those types of outfits that you can just chill at home with or even go out and run a quick errand. But I thought they were cute, and as you guys saw, the crinkle method worked. So yeah, I think it came out really good. Let me know in the comments what you think.